Here I'm doing some final fit checking here. Nothing's hooked up, but I got the power to the JF3HZB's analog dial digital VFO. This is the audio gain. This is RF gain. That's the carrier balance. That's mic gain. This is upper and lower sideband. This is tune. This is our main power switch here. That was kind of neat to put that in there. Get that installed. This is the RF tune. Our plate meter. I made a little logo today. N6QW. I'll glue that on there. That's just sitting there propped up. But turned out pretty nice. There's some rails that go on the top. So they're right angle stock. So then you put the top plate on there. And I may just put a piece of plexiglass in there. Stiffen it up, but it looks like it's going to come together okay. Had a few problems along the way I'm still resolving, but just thought I'd like to let you see what the rig looks like. Kind of cool, I think. Anyway, all that hard work is coming to fruition. We got a few nuts and bolts yet we've got to fix here that make everything consistent, but just put it together so you see what the front panel looks like. And then you can see, and then our fan in the back, and our RF cage, what have you. Pete here, N6QW. It's the hybrid wireless.